Oh, it's a food truck.
More like a food trailer.
That's what's up. What do we got here?
Hot cocoa, coffee, milk, $7, water, cupcakes, a brownie, cookies. What is like chocolate? $7. Marshmallows. Canola. And also peppermint bark, chocolate strawberries, and a chocolate dipped canola.
Oh my God, did we just find a new segment for you? Food with Malachi?
Or 3 cannolis for $15.
Are we gonna have to start a segment? Food with King Kai?
I guess so.
Okay. Food with King Kai it is.
That's another channel right there. Oh, how about grubbing with Kai?
Good. Absolutely. What do we got? This is what?
This one's dark.
Dark chocolate? Nice.
If you're having trouble picking one, you can always grab both.
Oh, I could try both?
Of course.
Absolutely. That sounds right up my alley. Thank you. They're always giving back to 3 Square, which is always nice. So if anybody's giving to 3 Square or wants to give back to the community, come on out here and do it. Yeah, that's where they make all the chocolate. You got your chocolate? Did you get your chocolate? Yummy! You double up. You too, thank you. Chocolate for the win.